Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to reply to a message on Messenger Chat. Today, we will guide you through the simple steps to effectively reply to a message on your Android device. Step 1. First, open Messenger on your Android device. Make sure you have the app installed and logged in to your account. Step 2. Next, open the conversation that includes the message you want to reply to. Scroll through your chats until you find the specific conversation. Step 3. Once you have found the message you want to reply to, swipe right on the message. This action will bring up the reply option for you to respond directly to that message. Step 4. Write your answer beneath the text. Take your time to craft a thoughtful response to the message you are replying to. You can type out your message in the text box provided below the original message. Step 5. Finally, tap the send arrow icon to send your reply. This will deliver your response to the person you are chatting with in the conversation thread. And there you have it. You have successfully replied to a message on Messenger Chat using your Android device. Remember to follow these steps whenever you need to respond to a message in your conversations on Messenger. Thank you for watching and happy messaging.